Hey everyone, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. For today's video, we are going to be trying out some products from Nail Addict LA. They were so sweet and sent me over some gels to try out and share with you guys. So I came up with this super simple, easy marble gel design. And on this hand, it is all Manny Boss. I have all of that information on my Instagram page, but let's open this up and dive in. I love all the little paper on top. It looks like a little party in a box. So it seems here this is their base gel, and that's going to be perfect for getting longevity. And here is their no wipe top coat. Let's go do some swatching. First up is White Addict, and this is a pure white. 2 coats, full coverage, super easy to use. Next is Pink Princess. This is going to be one of those staple neutral shades. Very beautiful. I love this one. And now we have Baby Rose. You guys know I'm obsessed with pink, so I love this for spring. It's such a pretty pink. Next up, we have this gorgeous pink. It's called Be My Baby. Last but not least is Do Me a Favor. When using any gel products, it is so important to use their base gel before doing any color. This is going to act as the glue to getting your nails to last. So if you were doing these on your natural nails, first you would push back your cuticles, buff the shine off your nails, apply a dehydrator, and then a primer. Once you are done with all of that, then you'll do a very thin, even coat of your base gel and cure for 60 seconds. So I start out by getting as much product off of my brush as possible. We're going to do a full coat across the entire swatch stick and then cure for 60 seconds. So for my base shade, I grabbed Pink Princess. So very important, make sure you're doing thin layers. It is better to do 2 to 3 thin coats of gel polish instead of doing 1 to 2 really thick coats. That could be why your gel polish is lifting, peeling, and it can also burn you when you go to cure it in your lamp. So it's very important to do thin layers. You can see the coverage on this product is phenomenal. That is only 1 coat of gel polish. So I am going to do a second coat just to make sure and cure for 60 seconds. So here's the second layer, and it has such phenomenal coverage. So now for the fun part, we're just going to add a little dab of each of these colors onto our gel palette, and then grab a toothpick and swirl. So with my toothpick, I just like to sporadically blend the colors together until I'm happy with the coverage and the marble effect. So I'll be using a short, flat nail art brush, and I scoop up the product and then I slowly guide it onto the swatch stick. It's just gonna be like a waterfall effect that lays naturally on its own. When you feel it start to get a little bit dry or you don't see it coming off, then scoop up some more product and go add more to it. The possibilities are truly endless when it comes to marble designs. There's no rhyme or reason, and that is the beauty in this. When you're happy with your art, be sure to cure for 60 seconds. And I, of course, have to add a little bit of flair. So I've got my foil here. I am going to break apart some of this gold one here, and we are going to add this to our marble. So this is my base gel. I'm just going to do a super thin layer across the marble and use a toothpick to hand place them. All right, so this is our final step. We just do a thin layer of our top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and you are finished. So here is the final look. I am so obsessed with this. I think this is going to be beautiful for spring. It just has that soft, dainty feel to it. And I have to say, I am extremely impressed with this brand and their products. They have amazing coverage. The top coat has a super high shine, no complaints whatsoever. I think they are going to be gorgeous colors year round. So here is the final look at our swatch stick lineup. I love getting to do these very easy, quick designs for you guys, so I plan to do lots more in the future. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.